Hi, it's Richard from Sleephaven. Just going to show you a quick upholstery cleaning tip. Apologies for the noise because I've got Taylor in the background cleaning some stairs at the moment. Liam's on filming duty, so I'm just going to show you a quick upholstery cleaning tip. Got two chairs here before. If you zoom in on these please for me, Liam, you can see some of the heavy staining that we've got just here from food spillages, one thing and another. Now these chairs here, what I've done is I've pre-sprayed them and I've used my favourite bit of kit here to agitate the solution in. So what I'm going to show you is how we do it. A little bit of spray. Put a little bit more over the stain there. Spray it all over. And then we use this hand drill. And it's a soft brush here that we've got, especially for upholstery and finer fabrics. So I'm just going to agitate this in now. Just concentrate a little bit on this area where the heavy staining was. I think if you zoom in there for me, Liam, if you bring that in, you can see that the stain is virtually gone already there. But once Taylor's finished the stairs, I'll come and get him to then flush these through, extract the solution out of that, and then extract the remaining soiling, and they'll come up a tree. And that'll be lovely jubbly, unless it's a Thursday. Last job of the day, that'll be us, and I might even take the lad for a pint, you never know. Anyway, if I can help, just give us a call on 01327 342 594 and we'll be happy to help with your carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning or any of your external cleaning requirements. Anyway, take care.